Hey guys, Lila's Tools here. Hope you guys are having a great day. So today we're back with another tool haul. This will be Amazon tool haul number 2. Not a lot of items, but some pretty cool stuff. If you hear noise, I got the heater on today. It's about 0 degrees Celsius out and the wind is wild, so it's just a bit nippy. I had taken the heater off the bench and put it away, but I had to pull it back out because I want to be out in the shop today, but a bit too cold. So let's start out with everyone's favorite. So I got a pair of 8701 125. These are the 5-inch Cobras. You know, recently we got the XS Cobras, the super small, like purely EDC kind of pair. This pair, it's definitely small. You see it pretty much, you can palm it like that, but it's a size that's definitely still usable in the shop and whatnot. Yeah, and I'm gonna complete the entire array of Cobras. Also, I just realized I think we might have something on the camera. Hold on. That might be a little better. There we are. But yeah, just your standard Cobra. It does have a coarser tooth than the standard Cobras. That's not an issue. So there's those guys. I believe they were $45 Canadian on Amazon. So I picked them up. I picked up a singular socket. This is a 16mm from OEM Tools. 16mm. It's quarter drive, which makes it special. It's actually quite nice. What do they call this? A hard chrome finish or something like that. It's beautiful. It's in between a German satin, I would say, and a American chrome polish. It's very nice. And it was cheap too. It was somewhere between $5 and $10, $6, $7. So I picked up that guy. No specific use for it as of now, but just building out the set. You know how it goes. Let's go over to this guy. So this is my very first brand new Wiha tool. And if you're thinking, what is that? Well, it's made in 21. It's made in Germany. I actually don't have a part number on this for you, sadly. I'll leave it in the description if I remember. Also, if you do get one of these yourself, this is an aluminum collar here. And if you look, this threads out. I'll take it off. We have here, it's sort of like one of those old screwdriver chucks kind of thing. And if you see on here, it looks kind of weird, and it was kind of gritty, and there was you can kind of see the remnants of it on there. It's got copper anti-seize on it, so if you get one of these, no, it's not rusty. It's just so that the aluminum doesn't corrode in contact with the metal. So what this guy is a little scraper tool. If you buy the handle, you get 10 of these standard scraper blades. So you can see how that is. Sorry. Sort of just a single bevel. And just loosen the collar here. And that guy will pop right in. Let's get it. So there we go. Push that in nice and tight. Turn the collar down. Snug it up. And there you go. Now you have a scraper. And these blades are very, very sharp. You can see it just pulled up with a mat there. Yeah, and another cool thing, the blades, the Wiha blades, are made in USA. So USA and Germany combination right here. I believe this is the Wiha soft finish. I do like it. It feels very good in the hand. It is nice. I can see why people like these on screwdrivers for sure. It does pick up a lot of dust, debris, etc. So I could also see why in a machine shop or in a construction environment why these wouldn't be great. But I think in the mechanic shop you do just fine, or electrical or whatnot. But yeah, there's that guy. I believe this was had it in the cart for a long time. And it told me it dropped the price about 17%. It was less than $25 for that guy. So I picked it up. And here's these guys. It's my very first pair of pliers, or tool at all, from Tsunoda. If you can tell by the writing, this is the Japanese. And what these are it's like a soft grip. You see they show it with some beads and some little wallets. Show it on an RC car. I had two ideas for these. First, with building computers and whatnot. If you guys have done that, you'll know things like your front panel connectors and your fans and whatnot. Those little PWM connectors and the like, when they go on the motherboard, they can sometimes be really sticky, and you just can't get it with your fingers. And you don't want to take a standard pliers because you can ruin something, right? So I thought this would just be perfect. You can see the pattern there. See how they close. So I thought this would be perfect for building those, and I also thought it would be excellent for certain electrical connectors on vehicles and ATVs and the like. I haven't used them yet, but we'll see how they do. They are spring-loaded, and you could take the spring out if you did so wish. So there's that, and interestingly enough, where is it on here? These are made in Thailand. First tool I've seen that's made in Thailand. Yeah, if I grip down, and this is some slippery paper, printed paper. So yeah, there's those guys. And they do have replaceable jaws there. It did there, and there's the part number for the jaws, I do believe, the SCRPs. So yeah, there's those guys. Those are pretty sweet. They were about $23, I believe. And then I picked up some paracord, some proper high quality 550 paracord. And if you guys don't know, at least if you get proper paracord, a 550 paracord means it has a 550-pound load rating. So pull this guy out. I got this stuff from Paracord Planet off of Amazon, and it is made in USA. So you have 300 colors. They're in Fargo, North Dakota. There's that. And let's just have a feel of this stuff. Find the end. There we go. Oh yeah. Oh, I have no doubt you could do a lot with this stuff. Just for fun, I would like to see how it cuts. Just have a little look-see here. Definitely a lot stronger than the other paracord I've had. So there you can see your fibers. What did it say? It was a 7-strand, I do believe. So yeah, there's that guy. And this is in your standard, like, high-vis emergency orange. Just set him up there. And I wasn't going to buy 2 rolls, but I made 2 orders, and I forgot that I ordered that one. And I did want to get the pink one. And I got that guy. I want to do another little look here. These are so you know what? I believe this is actually I'm not 100%, but I believe this is actually not a 550. I believe this is a 100-pound rated, because it is thinner and it looks and feels different. You can sort of see they're very similar, but also very different at the same time. This is very floppy, where this is, you can see how that reacts when I flick it. This is more stiff. But yeah, lots of little things you could do with this. You can, like with the proper 550, you can tie things down, etc. with it. And with this guy, it's more for like zipper pulls on your bags, your coats, making lanyards for your tools and the like. But yeah, guys, that's the haul. Any questions, comments, opinions, thoughts, etc., leave them down below. I do really appreciate you watching. We're just on the crest, or we actually at this time of this video, we probably are just over 300 subscribers. So thank you very, very much. I really appreciate it. And with that said, guys, take it easy.